Hi everyone and welcome to my nail art tutorial. I really hope you guys are doing good and have a wonderful day. I personally am just so happy to do this. Like, editing videos is so relaxing for me, and especially because my daughter is in preschool. That means that I can take my time and do this with no pressure, and it feels amazing. It is just me, or don't you guys feel amazing sometimes when your kids go back to school? I don't think it is just me. I don't think I'm the only bad mama out there. You know what I mean? Anyway, going to the tutorial, this nail design can be done with no matter what kind of nail polishes. I used gels, but if I were to use normal nail polishes, I would have used like the same technique to blend. So I just applied the two colors together. I wiped the excess product from one of the polish brushes, and I just blend. I also add more color if needed until I got the desired, until I got, the result that I wanted. I am just so bad at this. I need more practice with voiceovers, but bear with me. I'm going to get better over the time. So yeah, don't forget to clean very good the brush before you put it back into the bottle. And because I applied a thicker layer than usual, I decided to cure everything for 1 minute in my LED lamp instead of 30 seconds. And yeah, this is the look. I really think it's just amazing. Guys, this glitter is just so much brighter in real life compared with the video. I'm still struggling with the settings, but believe me, these nails are looking so sparkly. But because they were a little bit too pink for me, I decided to add some black lines and like small tears. I personally always do that. I like to add black details when I find that the nails look a little bit too sparkly or too bright. Don't you? I think black is just making everything more like settle, isn't it? Anyways, I used black acrylic paint for the design, and only after it dries completely, I applied a layer of top coat. I cured, and that's it. I really hope you guys like this nail design, and see you next time. Take care. Bye.